Hey y'all, it's Kenny here. I'm back today, you guys, and I'm coming to you all with a quick tutorial on how I achieve these golden bronze bomb AF curls, y'all. Now, this wig is from Ywigs, and I was super impressed with the packaging, y'all. When I mean I was in love with the accessories, they gave you a little band to lay down them edges. And what I love most about this hair, y'all, is that the knots bleached in less than 10 minutes. And when you get a wig or get you a lace frontal closure that bleached the knots less than 10 minutes, that's how you know it's some bomb hair. So that was definitely a plus for me. So I did go ahead and get the bleach from Salon Care, and it is their quick white, you guys. I did use the 40 volume developer, which it bleached super fast. And on top of that, you guys, I just had to bleach it twice because I was going for like that bronzy, blonde, brown hair, and it's summertime. It's only been summer for about a week. It's about a week. But y'all, I was so ready to, get my summer curl game up, like, period. So I absolutely was pleased with how well the hair held up after the bleach. It was still soft, it was still bouncy, and the curls came back, and I was absolutely impressed. So you guys, I am going to stop talking and let y'all continue watching the video and see how I achieve this look. Do not forget to like this video, you guys. Tell me what you think below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.
Come into one more tune. No, we don't have time to make the floor. I scream underneath my skin. No matter how loud I cry, you can't hear me. And it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Scripting pages in my head. And it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. It's way past just a game. Oh my Lord, just set me free. Take away the leash that ties me onto you.
So y'all, I absolutely love this hair. It held up through the bleaching process and through me installing it. When I mean this hair is gorge, it is absolutely gorge. The tangling and shedding was little to none, and y'all know I can't do that shedding, honey. Like, that's a no-no for me. So I would definitely recommend this hair, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you, new subbies and my old subbies. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.